Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today I want to show you something. This vehicle has 100,000 miles on these brakes. This is a 2007 Lexus ES350. This brake pad and rotor set is the Z23 brake pads and rotors from Power Stop. Everybody asks me why I firmly believe or recommend these pads and rotor set on all the vehicles I do brakes on, which I do hundreds a year. And this is why. 100,000 miles. Let me show you how much brake pad is left. I cruise around on closed courses on a daily basis, doing about 90 miles an hour, but I'm usually able to cruise. But again, 100,000 miles on these brake pads. Take a look at this. All right, check these brake pads out. 9 millimeters left on these brake pads with 100,000 miles on them. Again, this is the Z23 brake pad and rotor set. So it's the drilled and slotted rotors with the ceramic brake pads, and there is still a ton of life on them. I'm getting a tad bit of vibration out of them when I'm getting off the freeway, and that's just about it. And really, I don't even know if it's the rotors, but I'm gonna go ahead and machine these rotors. I was gonna trade these pads out, but there's really no reason to do so. So I'm gonna clean everything up, re-lube everything, machine the rotors on the lathe over there, and I'm gonna be doing a video on that very shortly on showing you that you can machine these brake pads and rotors. So I just wanted to give a little rave about the Z23 brake pad and rotor set from Power Stop. They're not paying me. I wish they would. I just wanted to let you guys know this is a good bang for your buck if you are looking for brake pads and rotors on your vehicle. Even on my Silverado, the Tahoe with the silver auto front end, you've probably seen it in my other videos. I got the same setup on there, and I probably have over 125,000 miles on those pads and rotors, but check them out. Z23 brake pad and rotor set, link in the description below for Amazon if you want to check them out.